Not in your stomach. That pounding heart, that's not fear trying to stop you. It's a compass pointing to your next great leap. Imagine a lone climber, staring at an impossibly steep rock face, knowing every upward reach is a risk, every foothold a prayer. And sometimes, the hand slips. You fall. You scrape your knees and the wind gets knocked right out of your ambition. But resilience isn't avoiding the fall. It's the defiant grip after the slip. Think of Rosa Parks, her quiet defiance sparking a revolution just by staying seated. Are you letting the whispers of what if I fail drown out the thunderous potential of what if I fly? A tiny sapling pushes through concrete, not knowing how, only knowing it must grow. That's not optimism. That's instinctual courage. That inner voice telling you to retreat, tell it to step aside. Every single step, every single effort, carves your path forward. So that daunting dream, that terrifying idea, take one terrifying, exhilarating step toward it today. Because your courage isn't just for you. It's a beacon, illuminating possibilities for every soul who watches you dare. Go on, unleash the roar within. The world doesn't just need your strength, it desperately needs your brave.